right off the bat, it's beautiful. I love the colors. It matches my nails. People love the new design of it. You got the 3 diamonds on there, not real diamonds, but you know, it's flashy, it's colorful, it represents women.
We aren't represented often. It's hard to find clothing, tools that represent us, and this is perfect. I think it makes women more comfortable and willing to get into the industry.
Women need the confidence when it comes to a manly field, and so it's really cool to have a gun specifically for women so they feel like they're a part of it, and the color is cool, the design is cool. It just makes it fun while painting as well.
Women that are in the industry, I bet they just want to paint out of this, and I would love to paint something myself out of it. But it's a limited edition, so that means they're only going to make a certain amount, so you better get your hands on it now, because I'm going to try to get my hands on it as well.